What's the deal with affiliate marketing? Some advice for novices. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money from home. It can be a nice part-time job, or even become your primary source of income. This video contains several quick and easy tips that will surely make your site a success. Apply these tips to noticeably increase profits from your affiliate programs. To best market your site, you should know what keywords people are using to search for you. This will allow you to see if various marketing campaigns are working, such as if you've been pushing a particular product or keyword phrase, and which of your marketing efforts might need some more work. When branching out and promoting new products as an affiliate, you need to keep the same principles alive as with the products that initially brought you success. This means you shouldn't go with a lesser product just to expand your presence and to turn commissions. You do not want to tarnish your reputation. Do not try to trick your readers by hiding your financial stake in your links. Your visitors are used to affiliate marketing and they know that you are running a blog or site in order to earn money. Let them know that you will be making money from the links that they click on. They will be more likely to go ahead and click, if you are upfront with them. Beginning your affiliate marketing career with pay-per-click, PPC, programs is a wise move. By investing only in keyword bidding at PPC search engines and selecting your partner merchants carefully, you can build up a modest income without laying out much upfront investment. Then you can use PPC profits to pay for setting up a website. Anything you write during a marketing campaign or for your business in general should be written in plain, easy to understand language. Do not open the thesaurus and look for rarely used words that make you seem a bit too snobbish. This is your internet business, not a newspaper. Readers want it simple. You can add incentives for your existing customers to recruit new customers. As a small internet business, offering affiliate deals is a great way to increase your traffic and profile. Just make sure you're always on the up and up with your affiliates. Do what you promise and treat the people working for you as if they're your real employees. If you're just starting affiliate marketing, you might not know where to begin or what choices to make. Earning money through affiliate marketing can be rewarding, but it takes effort, time, and patience. If you are persistent in trying to improve your site, you'll definitely see a difference. Apply these simple tips to start increasing profits through affiliate marketing. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.